Hey, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever used public Wi-Fi in airport, school, or hotel and wondered if your personal information was really safe? Or maybe you have heard people talking about VPNs but don't really know what they do. Well, in today's video, I will explain everything you need to know about VPN. Well, we will look at the one of the world's best popular VPN, Surfshark VPN. I will show you what Surfshark is, how it works, its best features, how to install it, the advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's worth buying in 2026. So make sure you watch until the end. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm sharing information based on social public features and my research. Always use VPN service responsibly and follow the rules of the website and apps you use. Now, what is VPN? Let's start with the most important question. What exactly is VPN? VPN simply means Virtual Private Network. Don't worry if that sounds difficult. Think of it like this. When you use the internet without a VPN, other people such as someone on the same public Wi-Fi network or your internet provider may be able to see some information about your connection. A VPN helps protect your internet connection and keeps your online activities more private. It also helps keep your keep your personal information safer when you are using public Wi-Fi in places like airports, hotels, or school. Millions of people use VPN every day. Now, what is Surfshark? Surfshark is one of the most popular VPN service in the world. It allows you to protect your internet connection while browsing online. Surfshark has an app for Android or iPhone and others device depending on the one you are using, and even smart TVs. One subscription can also be used on multiple compatible devices for convenience if you have more than one device. Now, how to install Surfshark? Installing Surfshark is very easy. Now, step one: visit the Surfshark official website or download the app from your device direct from Play Store, Apple Store, or any of your device depending on how you are using it. Now create your account. Choose the subscription plan that suits you. Now you can, if you're using for website, now if you are using for phone, you are downloading it on your device, you can download it on Play Store, Apple Store, and then you log in your account, or you can register from the website, then download the app and log in the your account. Then tap the connect button. That's it. Your internet connection is now protected by the VPN. Now let's look about the best features on the app. Feature 1: Fast Savers. Surfshark has many servers in different countries. This gives you plenty of options when connecting. Feature 2: Clean Web. Clean Web helps block many ad trackers and harmful websites while you are browsing. This can make your browsing experience cleaner and more enjoyable. Feature 3: Kill Switch. If the VPN connection suddenly disconnects, this feature helps stop your internet connection until the VPN reconnects, helping keep your activities protected. Feature 4. Feature 4. Multi-hoop. Multi-hoop sends your connection through more than one VPN server, adding an extra layer of privacy. Feature 5. Split tunneling. This lets you decide which apps use the VPN and which app use your normal internet connection. Now let's talk about the speed. Many people asked, will Surfshark slow down my internet? The answer is it depends. Your speed can change based on your internet connection, your location, the server you choose, and your network connections. For everyday browsing, streaming, and video call, many users report good performances. Who should use Surfshark? Surfshark may be a good choice for students, people who travel often, remote workers, and also people who use public Wi-Fi, families with multiple devices, and anyone who wants more privacy while browsing the internet. Now let's see pros. Easy to use, beginners friendly, app for many devices, helps protect your online privacy. Large servers network. Now let's look about their cons. No VPN is perfect because Surfshark is a paid service. You will need a subscription after and any available trials period. Also, depending on your location and the server you choose, your internet speed and may be slightly slower. Final review. So, is Surfshark worth in 2026? If you are looking for a VPN that's easy to use and help protect your internet connection and online privacy, Surfshark definitely worth considering. Be- Before subscribing, compare the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. That's all for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell for more simple text review and tech tutorials. Have you ever used software? Have you ever used Surfshark VPN? Let me know your experience in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I see you in my next video. Bye.